Paanong cry? Ang lap? Paanong lap?
Konnichiwa Mina San, welcome to Romero's channel. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. For today, we were going to make our own tapioca using our cassava flour. So let's get started. Because I love tapioca pearls, that's why we were going to make our own tapioca or boba pearls today. Are you ready? This is the ingredients that we're going to use in making our tapioca pearls. 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of cassava flour. 1/4 cup of milk cocoa, or you can use ordinary cocoa powder. 1½ cup of brown sugar. And 5 cups of water. This is the 3 cups of water and 1 cup each, so the total is 5 cups of water. Combine together the cassava flour and the cocoa powder. And mix until well combined. Heat the cooking pan over medium heat. Put the water, cassava flour, and brown sugar. Stir and bring it to boil. When the texture is sticky like this, we will put the cocoa and cassava flour mixture. This is what it looks like when you put the mixture of cassava flour and cocoa powder. We will set it aside and let it cool. This will be the texture of our tapioca. This is our poured cassava flour mixture that we will going to use in making our tapioca pearls. Dust your table with flour. We will just scoop using this 1/4 teaspoon to form a small ball shape. We will continue this process until it finishes.
A few moments later.
Finally, I'm done. Instead of buying in the supermarket, why not try this recipe and make your own tapioca pearls at home? It's a little bit messy, but you can clean it later. Look at that. We will just transfer this to a clean container. Make sure that all balls are coated with flour to avoid sticking to each other. In a cooking pot, put the water and bring it to boil. Gently put the tapioca inside the boiling water. we will use this chopstick, or you can use any stick, to make sure that the balls are not sticking to each other. We will cook this until the tapioca are firm. Using the strainer or coriander, we will just drain the excess water. In a medium heat, we will put the tapioca, water, sugar, and we will cook this for 3 minutes. This is our homemade tapioca, chocolate tapioca pearls. You can use this after 2 hours.
Two hours later.
We're going to make our tapioca almond milk. We'll just put some tapioca, then we will put the almond milk. Our ice. Oops. And our strawberry powdered milk on top. And put some tapioca again on top. This is our tapioca almond milk. This is our tapioca strawberry milk. You can put tapioca pearl on your prepared drinks or juices. Look at that, it's so delicious.
Mmm, yummy.
We will just taste our tapioca milk. Our tapioca is so chewy and a little sweet. If you enjoy watching our vlog for today, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Romero's channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.